Come here. Come here, sweetie. Hey, come here. What are you singing? Come here. What are you singing? No! Nobody! No! Hey!
Oh, hi, Mommy.
Will you sing it for me? No! Nobody knows! Hey, turkey! Dang it, I hate it when this happens.
Nobody knows.
She's freaking out.
She's possessed.
Get her to sing it, Mom.
No, sing it. Nobody knows. Sing it at me. No. Nobody knows. No, I say no. Thirsty?
Nobody knows. Wish she'd stay in here and do that.
Sing it in there.
Why don't you guys come in here? Then she won't have any reason to go out there.
Whoa.
What song were you singing?
Nobody knows trouble I see. Nobody knows trouble I see.
Can you say, hey? Come here. Come here, sweetie.
No, wait, man. Camera's on.
I know.
Come here and sing happy birthday.
Hey, do you want a sticker?
Yeah.
Sing Nobody Knows real sad and I'll give you a sticker. Okay? Real sad. Nobody knows.
Say, I'm not sad, Dad. No.
Sing it, but just pretend.
No. Ready? No. Nobody knows trouble I say. Nobody knows trouble I see. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Whoa! Happy birthday to you. Nobody. What do we know?
Nobody knows. Sing.
Thirsty.
Can you sing it really quiet?
No.
Oh. You want to try?
No.
Nobody
Chocolate.
knows.
I want chocolate.
No, I think you're probably crazy enough.
No more chocolate, kiddo. What is chocolate?
We'll have some tomorrow. I think you probably just had some chocolate, didn't you?
Yeah.
That could explain one or two things, don't you think?
Joe got me chocolate. Joe gave you chocolate?
Dun 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 dun.
Oh.
Can I have? Hey, Emmy.
Hey. Nobody knows. Nobody knows chocolate? Sing that.
No. Nobody chocolate. Nobody chocolate. You are crazy. Hey, can you say the ABCs to Daddy? No.
Let's sing them.
Whoa.
A. Let's sing them loud. A.
B, C, D,
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Where are you going? T, U. Well, she can say them. Trust us.
Hey, Emmy, can you count? No. Okay.
You could count really loud. You could count like this. 1, 2, 4,
5, 6. Mommy.
What comes after 6? You are insane, little girl. Emily has finally lost her mind.
And join the ranks of everyone else in this house.
Hoping to be able to learn to read by placing her head on soft books.
Bye.
Kind of an osmosis thing. Bye!